Okay, page 53, number 3, more logs without a calculator. This time they give you some values of log base 10. And you could do these techniques without, it doesn't matter what base you're in. I think we showed that a different problem already. Okay, so what we're looking at here is we have log 2 and log 3. So we're going to use our properties of logarithms to figure out how to get a 6, an 8, a 2/3, and possibly a 1 with log 2 and log 3. So with log 6, we know that is 2 times 3. 6 is 2 times 3. So we can go log 2 times 3. Now when we break this into 2 logarithms, what do? We add them. So when they're multiplied within the logarithm, we can break them up and add them. So I can go log 2 plus log 3. I have values for those already up here. So I can go 0.301 plus 0.477. That would be 0.778. All right. On B, how can we get 8 using 2 or 3? 2 to the third power. So I can say log 8, that equals log 2 to the third power. Now because it's a third power, we've been working with this a lot, what can I do with that 3? Move it out in front, multiply it. So we have 3 times log 2. Log 2 is equal to 0.301. 0.301. Final answer, 0.903. Okay. So we use our product property here. We use our power property here. Okay, now we have log 2 divided by 3. Since the division is within the logarithm, how do we handle that? Subtraction, log 2 minus log 3. Again, we already have values for both of those right here. So just make sure we have the correct order here. 0.301 minus 0.477. That'd be a negative 0.176. That looks good. The last one is kind of throwing you a little curveball because we can subtract 3 minus 2, but there's no log property that has a subtracting. So when in doubt, you always go back to the idea of what a logarithm is. This is saying, since we're in base 10,
I thought division subtract.
right, that's why you can't.
I thought log 0 was 1.
Log 1 is 0. Yeah, so this is saying 10 to some power gives you 1. So that has to be x equals 0. So 0 is the answer. Basically, whenever you have a log 1, it's going to equal 0. Because whatever your base is, some base up to some power gives you 1. It's always going to be 0.